I get up.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweet Farm. Today we are going to be making some curried goat and we'll be taking you with us to buy the goat from the butchers. So let's go on the road to buy the goat, guys. Rope in. Yes guys, so I reached the butchers now. Gonna get the meat. So hey guys, this is what the butchers in the UK look like. Hello, can I have the spawn money? The spawn. TK, yeah. No, I don't want that one. I want the one that you cut. Nice one. Yeah. Curry, please. Yeah. The spawn. Just chop it off. Yeah. Yes, guys. I used to work with some of these people, so I kind of know them them language. So I just say I wanted £10 in money of goat. Yeah. Oh, you want to make a slice like this? No, small curry. Yeah, thanks. Let me see. Yeah, that's fine. These people are skilled, guys. Imagine that touching hand that just get chopped off like piece of that meat. My God, that's all skills to use these machine. £10 goat, guys. Queen. What should put in that? I don't want the white bits on that either. I don't want the film on that either. If you can't take it off, then I'll just buy that bit. It's not. Yeah, because if you can't, because I want the film on that. So if you can't do it, I'll just buy that. Alright, thank you. You too. Okay, so now we get with curry. We got everything at home. This is normally where I would buy my scallion and thyme and my stuff from the Caribbean. Got everything, so we don't miss Jamaica stuff because they sell everything here. Yeah, with banana, ginger, pumpkin, everything. Dashin, yam. With cucumber, okra, everything. Yes, guys. So when we check in back, we'll be home preparing the goat. Okay, guys. So I got some scallion and spring onions, potato, onion, pimento. I got a piece of ginger, garlic, black pepper, Maggi cube, and some Maggi seasoning, some salt. And I got some curry from Jamaica. So this is what I'm going to use to season up my goat today, guys. Okay, guys, I just cut up some ginger and garlic as I'm going to put that in my oil while I burn the curry. Yeah, guys, so this is the goat meat that we got from the butchers. So I'm just gonna wash him off with a lime, and then season it up. Let it marinate for at least an hour or two, and then I start off with the cooking. So let's season it up.
put some pimento seed on it. Pimento seed. I'm gonna put on some Maggi seasoning and some all-purpose. I'm gonna go in with a little salt. I'm gonna put a little of my curry, guys. I'm not gonna put a lot because I normally burn the majority in the oil. Put on some onion. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna use my hand to rub all of that on the meat now. Okay, guys, so I drop a bit of thyme in and the onion, so when it's cooking, you know, it can get the flavor as well. So I'm gonna leave that for about 2 hours and then I'm going to start cooking. So when after 2 hours, then I'll check in back, guys. All right, so I'm gonna throw some oil in the pot now. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the garlic and the ginger. Yeah, guys, so what I do is to burn the ginger and the garlic so it gets the oil, get the flavor, and then I add in my seasoned curry goat. The only thing that's missing now is a scotch bonnet pepper, but because I'm cooking for my family and I've got young children, I have to skip that out. But guys, I know this would be so nice with a scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, so I'm gonna leave that to go and get the color and the flavor before we add some boiling water. I normally boil my kettle, so when it's ready, I just pour the boiling water so it just continues. You don't have to slow down the speed with the cool water. Yes, guys, that is smelling so lovely. I wish you could smell this. Just give it a little turn. So while I'm preparing the goat meat, I got my peas cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up my fresh stuff to go in the pot when my goat is cooked, but I'm just going to prepare these things so they are ready when the meat is done cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a turn now. Yeah, I think the meat get all the flavor from the oil now with that ginger, the garlic. So now I am going to put in some boiled water for it to start cooking. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to put in some boiling water just to cover the meat. I'm not going to put too much at a time. And then I'm going to cover the pot so that the meat. So now I cut up my seasoning ready for the meat when it is cooked. So I got some carrot there, some potatoes, spring onions, and some thyme. Yes, guys. Curry goat on the way. Forget to put in some fresh onions, so yeah, we gotta add that. Making in back now to see if this thing cook. Oh, still a bit springy, so I know it's not cooked properly. Need a little stir again. Yeah, yes, sweet squad. So this is ready now, nice and soft. So what we're gonna do now is to put in the fresh seasoning. Yeah, just gonna mix that in now. Yeah, gonna put a little black pepper, and we're gonna put some 2 Maggi cube in it as well. You guys, I'm gonna give that a little taste to see if we need a little pinch of salt, because I'm trying to cut down on my salt intake. So I'm just gonna give that a little twirl. Got everything in there, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna taste that now. Yeah, just I'll put a little pinch of salt. Just a little pinch of salt. Yeah, and then I'm gonna cover that up and then allow everything to cook and come down a little bit more. Yes, guys. Yes, so that is rice and peas. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Share it on the plate now.